Hey there, YouTube world. We're making a difference one plant at a time. Come and join us as we start this revolution.
Circle is one of our favorite places to shop for our garden because it's inexpensive and there are a lot of things that you can buy here. So the first thing that we need to buy is soil. So as you can see here, it's already complete and it's already organic. But the best part is, it's only 50 pesos per bag. Pwede ka rin bumili ng herbs dito for 3 for 100 pesos only. Now we need to buy Vermicast, which is worm poop, and we use it to fertilize our plants. We buy it specifically in this store. So each bag is just 100 pesos. Aside from the soil and the vermicast, bumili rin kami ng 3 basil plants and 1 eggplant.
For dining.
Yeah.
Okay na po.
Perfect.
Pwede 200 din po.
Whenever we are here, we make sure to drop by Coconut House to grab some food and also to buy some coconut products. Next stop is Harvest that you can find in Mega Mall. Here you can find soil, seeds, fertilizers, pots, and here I am buying ceiling tray, vermicast, seeds, and poly bags.
Soil po, tapos gano'ng kadami po yan? 1:1.
Not included in this vlog, but isa pa sa mga favorite namin to go shopping for the garden is Cedar Hills. So that's it for this vlog and thank you for watching!